Migg stomping off ahead, desperate to get in, get some pike action. Might be able to land a net. Predator net, I should say. Landing that, but I'm fishing light. Just got a tiny little tackle box for me. Rucksack on. Job done. This is very overgrown. This is a spinning nightmare here at the moment, but Migg's desperate for a good pike session, so we'll see how we get on. So we've walked up to the end bit of the river, the last bit of the river we can go to, which is that bridge. We just found there's a couple of nice little spots, so you can obviously see it's quite flooded, but we're obviously pike fishing today, but I quite fancy a barbel out of here, how fast flowing it is, but we shall see. So we can start here, see how we get on. It's nice and quiet. Me and Migg, she's looking straight out. Just about to go out and do the first cast spinning. Migg's already down there trying to catch that. Whoa. Going to be testing out this little bad boy, 3D line through trout. See how we get on with that. Well, the success story so far is that I haven't lost a lure yet. There's a lot of reeds and obviously overhanging trees and stuff, but yeah, that's a success so far. Still got loads of time there. Let's go down and see what Migg's up to. About an hour and a half in now, not a bite yet, but I'm still confident. It's just starting to rain. Mike, as usual, has completely disappeared around the corner. Second time, no idea where he is. I'll probably hear him shouting for help in a minute, but we'll see. Great stuff. Check it down so I put the hat on. Because when you've got a baldy head, it gets cold. So far nothing, it's gone midday. Giving up on the river. It's Mike walking around there. He's heading to the shop to get some more traces because he's run out. And my float for my pike in is just out there. Don't know if I can zoom in, you might be able to. Just down there. I'm still confident we're going to catch something. It's a lot warmer today than it has been all week. So Mike's just sat up over there. I've got one out for carp as well, obviously, but we'll see how we get on. Migg's just gone to the shop. It would be hilarious if his reels go off, well, his lines go off now while he's over there, because we've agreed if while he's over there they go off, it will count as my fish. So hopefully I'll catch on his rod and he'll get the blank. I'm absolutely gutted. Just missed footage of Migg. His bite alarm went off, went on a good run, and he stood a bit too far away from it, and he legged it over to get to it. Slipped up in the mud, so now he's covered in mud. And by the time he got to it, there was no fish. Absolutely hilarious. Oh, it's so blurred, unfortunately. Oh, a little bit of focus now. Make sure it's your hands again. Wait, hang on.
That was a proper run though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think it picked up.
Make it had enough time to pick it up, have a dinner and leave by the time you got off the floor.
You're meant to let it run for a bit, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh, that was hilarious.
I told you I was going to fucking slip up.
I'm literally trying on the pike rod, just going down in the margins, deadbait in there. I've tried over by the islands over that side, but just trying down here. Still thinking about how he slips up.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Well, it's that monster crab again. Carp hunter strikes again. Pressure's on Mike now. So here we are, it's just coming up to 2:30. You can see in the background Migg is there, and he is really feeling the pressure. He's basically staring down the barrel of his second blank this year. And I mean, look at him, you can see the pressure. If I zoom in, pressure that's on him is immense. If I can zoom in on it, let's have a look. Oh no, that's changing the brightness and stuff. I am on the front camera, great, brilliant. But yeah, it's looking dangerous for Migg, really dangerous. I'm confident I'm going to have a pike out of here in a minute. Yeah! I've literally just chucked mine down there. And I had a 7-pounder out from just down here last time I was here. So I'm pretty confident. There's only a couple of hours or so left. But I mean, this is what pressure looks like when you're looking at a blank. Look, absolutely stressed. Looking up tactics online, anything he can to help himself get his first fish of the day. Luckily I had that little mirror carp. Otherwise I'd probably be feeling it too, but obviously I can relax now. He will be top of the league, top of the blank to bank fishing league if he doesn't pull this off. And we had a call just as I was landing, or just after I landed that mirror, that my dad has landed a 20-pound pike on the River Stour today as well, which is confirmed, and he sent us a picture. So Mike is really feeling the pressure. He's gutted, wishing he went there himself now, but hey ho. This is what desperation looks like. He's there using his daughter's fishing rod as a third rod. Desperate. Absolutely desperate to catch something to avoid the blank.
When there's no more hope is left in me,